Guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of UNO. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of UNO. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. As you see here, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.